Yo, Pantherslap here. Really excited. We got some Kaldheim packs. We have 2 set boosters and a collector booster. Wow. And we have a brand new playmat. Look at that. Unreal. Let's dive in. Hope everybody's enjoying the new set. And we have an art card to start. Oh, really cool. We got a Volatile Fjord, Frostpeak Yeti, Shimmerdrift Veil, Mistwalker, Depart the Realm, Carfell Harbinger, Zombie Wizard, cool. Got an uncommon War Chanter Scald. We got a Fearless Liberator uncommon. And a Dwarven Hammer, nice. Ooh, for our rare we got a Showcase Magda Brazen Outlaw. Wow, very nice. Wow, the art on that is unreal. Who did that? Dezo? Jeez. Unbelievable card. Man, the showcase art is so nice on these. We got an Agar the Freezing Flame. We've got a Hollow Dogged Pursuit common. Oh, we've got a rare from the list. Wow, a Groundbreaker. Oh, jeez. Wow, very stoked to pull that. Unbelievable. Oh my, wow. Huge. Jeez, all right. Pack number's gonna be pretty tough to beat that, I know. That was very nice. Got our art card, Mistwalker. Oh, it's we got a signed one. Very nice. That actually looks really cool. Nice to have that. That's my first, like, kind of those gold stamp signed cards. I don't have any of those. Snow-covered mountain. Invoke the Divine. Funeral Longboat. Beskier Shieldmate. Warhorn Blast. Story Seeker. Master Scald. Valor of the Worthy. A Binding of the Old Gods uncommon, and we got a Skemfar Avenger as a rare, very nice. And a Narfi Betrayer King uncommon. And we have a Hollow Feed the Serpent, common but really cool looking art. Hollow's not bad on it. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, we got another card from the list. Oh my gosh. Stone Rain. Wow. Destroy any one land. Wow. We got... Wow. Very nice on that. Let's see how the collector booster goes. Wow. Having a really good time with this new set. Loving the showcase art. Love the list lottery slots. Fun. Grizzled Outrider, Dogged Pursuit, Seize the Spoils, Iron Verdict, Feed the Serpent. Had both those in the packs, that's kind of funny. We got an uncommon Shepherd of the Cosmos. Wow, beautiful looking card there. Not complaining with that pull. Very nice. And we got the classic Fjarja, Judge of Valor, Fjarja. Very nice as well. Wow, the holo is much better than in the set boosters. Very nice uncommon pulls there. We've got our snow-covered swamp. Rare Surtland Elementalist. Not sure if that's any good. We've got a mythic Goldspan Dragon extended art. Wow, nice. I was hoping I pulled this dragon. It's kind of sick looking. Very nice mythic pull there. Sweet. Oh, we've got a mythic holo. Burning Rune Demon. Jeez, I think we pulled the art for that actually. Look at it. It looks very strange. Doesn't that kind of look strange? Is that a misprint? What is it? I don't know if you guys can tell me if that's supposed to be like that or if that's a misprint, but still, wow, a really nice pull. What a pack. We've got a Freezing Flame. Showcase art, very nice. Oh, we got it, guys, we got her. We got an Isaka, God of the Tree. Wow, in all of her showcase glory. Wow, what a pack. Unbelievable, guys. Oh, I'm so stoked. And we've got a, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, Morite of the Frost Uncommon Showcase Holo. Very nice. Can't complain. And we have a Jorn, God of Winter. Very nice. Oh yeah, I forgot that these are dual moto. So we have a Kaldring, the Rhyme Staff. Unreal. And we have a Dragon Token. Wow, what a bunch of packs. Prismatic Bridge. Unbelievable. More packs in the future. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Take care. Peace.